శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 696th డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 3rd పర్వం, వనపర్వం or Aranya Parvam, 3rd chapter. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaishampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this: Ho Raja, Dhaumya asked Dharmaraju to do Suryopasana and taught 108 namas of Surya Bhagavan. The same namas now I am going to teach you. Like that, Vaishampayana Maharshi teaching. So, these namas are in the form of slokas. I say once, you please repeat. That way, we will also get a chance to chant these divine names of Surya Bhagavan, which were revealed by Chaturmukha Brahma and taught by Dhaumya to Dharmaraju. Suryaha Aryama Bhagastvashta Pusharkaha Savita Ravihi Gabhasti Manajah Kalaha Mrutyurdata Prabhakaraha Prudhivyapascha Tejascha Khamvayuscha Parayanam Somo Bruhaspatihi Sukraha Buddhaha Angaraka evacha Indro Vivasvan Deeptamshuhu Suchihi Saurihi Shanaishcharaha Brahma Vishnuscha Rudrascha Skando Vai Varuno Yamaha Vaidyuto Jatharascha Agnihi Aindhanaha Tejasampatihi Dharmadvajo Vedakarta Vedango Vedavahanaha Krutam Treta Dvaparascha Kalihi Sarvamalashryaha Kalakashta Muhurtascha Kshepa Yamastadha Kshanaha. Rest of the slokas we will learn tomorrow. Jai Srimannarayana. Jai Srimannarayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vighneshwara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana, who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ నారాయణ నారాయణ శ్రీమన్నారాయణ నారాయణ నారాయణ. Srimanarayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Srimanarayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. For Srimanarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimanarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. For Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. For Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. For Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. For Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. For Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. For Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. For Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. For Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. For Srimanarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana.